Okay, so in this video, we'll learn how to use merge in Zbrush. So right now in this model, we have head separately and hair separately. So if you would like to merge both, then what is the tool you have to learn? Understood? So you select this, then you use move tool, then you can move separately. But if you like to merge this, so what is the tool you are going to learn? So for that, you come to the subtools and you can see the two layers here and select the top one. And in the subtool, we have the tool is called merge. You can see merge down, merge visible. So merge, choose the merge down because you're selecting the top one. So you can select the merge down. So what will happen? It will ask something. It is not undoable. Okay, fine. You can press OK. So now both are merged. It become a single layer. But the mesh is not merged, so you can see there is a gap as usual. Okay, so even if also if you use the move tool in brush, so but I like to blend both correctly. Okay, so you can use another tool and go to the geometry, and we have tool is called Dynamesh, right? So once you use the Dynamesh, so already you have geometry level 3. If you want how much level you want to make, it will make it again one back one. So you can see the mesh is low right now. Now I want to make mesh level fourth level. Okay. So once you want to make fourth level, it divide. So it will become fourth level. It's very smooth right now. So what you can do right now, go for delete lower. So all the levels will be removed. Then you can use the dynamics. Otherwise, it will ask dynamics click. It's saying the mess has multiple subdivision levels. Would you like to freeze subdivision levels? So what will happen immediately if you press yes? So it will become low level. Okay, so again you see it will become low mesh. So I want to maintain the same levels. So keep undo. So immediately what you should do, delete the lower. So right now you don't have mesh levels. So directly you are in highest level. Okay, so now we can go for Dynamesh. Now you can see the uh, you can see the mesh level right now. So in this we have resolutions. So you can increase or decrease. Right now 128. You want to make you want to make increase the more. So what you can do? So make go for to 50. Right. Just go for Dynamesh. You can see okay you are maintaining the same levels. Okay, maybe little reduce. If still like you want to increase more, so nothing wrong in that. You can go for 300. Right. So then Dynamesh. Okay, fine. So still not enough. Okay, no issues. So go for 400. Right. Fine. So click this and go for Dynamesh. So now see it is very higher level. So always when you apply this, so you should click on the model, then you click this, then it will update right now. So right now you can see we have it is welded. You can see right now, right? So use the brush now, use hold shift, then you can see you can blend both mesh together, right? So like that, you can blend the things using merge and Dynamesh. So then you can do the other detailings, right? So I'll go for standard brush and I'll go for mm, some alphas you can take and you can see that very nicely it is happening. So I can create like this. Okay. So this is very useful tool. You want to increase still more details. It is getting pixelized. So go for 800 and click this and again Dynamesh. Uh, right now it is updated. You can see yes. So now you can see the very nice good details levels are happening. If you increase more resolution, then you can do very high details on your mesh. So like that, you can make your details. So hope you understood what is the use of merge and Dynamesh together. Thank you.